Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add extension repository to CloudStream. Your CloudStream app feels pretty empty without extensions, kind of like buying a gaming PC just to open Notepad. So let's fix that. Open CloudStream and head to the bottom right corner where you'll find the settings or cog icon. Tap that, then go into extensions. If you're already installed some, you'll see them listed there, but to add a new one, tap Add Repository. Now you'll need a repository URL or shortcode. Leave CloudStream open and jump into your browser. Search for CloudStream extensions. Open the CloudStream extensions wiki page and scroll through the available repositories until you find one you want. Copy their direct install link or repository code, head back into CloudStream, and paste it into the repository field. You can also give it a custom name if you want, although naming it Totally Legal Movies might not be the best idea. Finally, tap Add Repository, wait for it to install, and your new extension should appear inside the app ready to use. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.